Mumuhwan and a Kai Ampong Ninumwe during the campaign trail 2024. I and Ampong at me at his number to now in some they're very simple. And any dedicating about this platform is I'll urge you to subscribe to this platform. You follow us on Facebook at Salif Abdul and I say Karma Entertainment Zone. And then you follow us on TikTok too at Karma Studios. Now Kojo Ampong, the great Ampong. And I was in Tuja or say Kwaku Manu and a year one of the most sensible people I want over your or my gun and you yourself and I baby. Oh, because the Kwaku Manu any smart Ghana TV echo have an interview. Kwaku Manu Church, the reason why in here he is in conclusion with what Ampong did by releasing a apology. Ampong doing me for super. It is very simple. Ampong a campaign MIA the new patriotic party during the 2024 election abusia. And then he released a song titled Nkwanketenkete whereby he featured a Nana Kechi Kwame Apia. And after the 2024 election, NPP Alusu is your more opposition. Now the ruling party, the National Democratic Congress, and also. And Ampong will release a song titled Apology. Say opagana for you na acho. Say the oye no, who say wo nunu hu wonye nu hu. Bloggers, mfana from so nche. Social media mwenyaza fojina, bloggers and from farmer chapa magana from mame. Unyankopon wo shebo ni free nyankopon nchen. Intimua na mudi Ampong antem Ampong wajai nyamedwuma to na sisi we campaign Ampong akodi NPP echi na mmom NPP eluso wi enti na Ampong assign edi apology song edi ababonten no Ampong say entesa na Kwaku Manu ehwo asema bom na wujan is very simple. The simplest thing of Kwaku Manu's thing is that Kwaku Manu and Smart Ghana TV could have an interview and Kwaku Manu to say what Ampong did no one Ampong ya adwen if we say nipa ofom na hu mistake na say osan be pachawa that is the best way to go. You don't have to be too pompous. Ampong yes an enim Ampong na yenim no enye se no tie Ampong bread ho ase obuade enye ni say ti Ampong dan ne nsa dia onkoi say why ade we na ya ka say ade we no why na so omposo bajin fum so tum that is very bad and the nipa bia hia that kind of golden hearted and then so when you offend someone you need to apologize at that moment and that is what Ampong did. Ampong say why Ghana for ina boni Okumano say he was one of Ampong's biggest fan, but in his campaign no ninsi me kan during the radio station me kra me tibi ma rising me temperature to the release level but you know he is one of the legendary gospel artists that we have in this country, and then you look at their pedigree and where they have reached in life, then you put the respect into their names so you don't have to go beyond boundaries. And then Ampong posti Kwaku Manu ni video on Smart Ghana TV ko have interview. You know she will say caption obusu and the screen so no. He is trying to tell us that Kwaku Manu obi a we nimdifo we nyansafo na adwene mu do because ni nsem o twego ni nwum ni nyina mu a wato ne din apology title ba akọ na busu eno na Kwaku Manu abọ no tofa and I can was Smart Ghana TV. Adi a me pay obi a oya homaso no ya de enye no da so tinam. Se makamba kamitime reverse man. Ma woni na trase ho se otonu mi brebi. Okasa mrebi. Awo radio so etie o mampanyi dada wetwem ko tie NDC fo. Obi a me Kwaku Manu tie bia na me nimse bia mrebi etwem. Ebi makasa tia ebia papa baomia yewura nanado. Na me kasa bia ni se meka. Nanado policy obi ba ye mo asem oh nature matrasi na se bi crime this abapa on e bi okan e bi friend this abapa on say by mistake ono all kase opachewa bro kasa dem abato
o de catch so so Jimmy where kwasia where abo so part. Oh bro, you Ghana fo. Me Ampong no Peter but say no any campaign because na no dey. Me ani who say we lose no customers. Ampo ono any party MPP no kura no bi mu dwa no.
You say customers no use na amazisi aba.
Ono any party MPP na. Omo SDF for kura bebre dwa Ampong.
Oh.
Ono any party o. Omo to abama MPP omo ye SDF for kura no bebre dwa Ampong sisi aba.
Die who ni say die nti.
SDF na kasa ye mpe campaign sa. Obetuma to ababa ye nyinta ye ni ase. SDF suma ya wo to more than 20 years and say na me dan mensa. Me bi say dey sum le tie. It say Yehowa. So also your contreni. Who your contreni we SDF ni. Maana ta wo si Awurade mbra. Saba school si asafuna koma. Na se wo me to do ma asafuna to ma wo man no. Me fe wa fa campaign yesu ko ho. Na ko door to door back to back door. Ampong yes an ni Ampong.
Into go take Kwaku no nsem a Kwaku no ye badwemba. Kwaku no a very sensible person abusia. The trim of pulling the trim adwin to cultural apology song Kwaku no abori nyina to fa wan fa anyanyom na emum a grand interview na wa reveal Ampong the trim po. E we Smart Ghana TV interview ni Kwaku no have ye no. So Ampong is trying to praise Kwaku over here and then at the same time apologize to Ghanaians, apologize to his fans, apologize to other political parties. They are in the county for campaigning for the New Patriotic Party. Now Ampong he is not he wasn't angry and as be a combi deno and a campaign the New Patriotic Party. He saw the vision and what the MPP was trying to bring to Ghanaians. So he looked into the campaign messages and he felt like, yeah, this is going to help Ghanaians. And you come and they don't call the New Patriotic Party name Opegana for him. So when he saw the dream, and who said, no, this is going to help Ghanaians as compared to the ruling party, the National Democratic Congress. Same thing happens to Asamoah. When Asamoah saw the vision of the New Patriotic Party, and he felt like, okay, no, I need to campaign for these guys. And it came back and said, Asamoah, this KB and I feel Asamoah ever declared on was onye part of a NPP campaign in Biobusha. And then here is Ampong also apologizing to all his fans, Ghanaians, and the other political parties. Say Opomuni na mocho. The comment section is made for you. What do you think about this? Because Ampong is apologizing and he thought he thinks that Kwaku Manu has said his mind in the interview, so he feel like praising Kwaku Manu, posting the video on his YouTube platform means to say what Kwaku Manu said in that video means a lot to the great Ampong. And I'm going to go by the name Siki the Superstar. If today is your first time enjoying our content, why don't you follow us on Facebook at Salifu Abdo or Karma Entertainment Zone, and then follow us on TikTok at Sticky the Superstar and also Karma Studios. YouTube is Karma Studios, to follow us and then you enjoy the content from us anytime we drop an amazing video like this. Thanks for watching. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. I am your favorite and youngest content creator. Thanks for watching. Finally out.